ค่ะ Good morning everyone and welcome to this conference นะคะ First of all we appreciate and would like to thank all of you for joining this conference, and in this conference we will begin with the brief of presentation and then we will open the floor for Q&A session. Now let's start. As you can see, overall in third quarter, Thailand still faced the economic hardship from COVID-19. Sorry. Okay, sorry for the mistake, technical. Okay, now I will start with the third quarter result performance. First of all, overall in third quarter result, as you may know, Thailand still faced the economic hardship from COVID-19 as weak economy and low purchasing power of customers. We remain under the lockdown for the first 2 months, even though the government has started to release the restriction measures since 1st September. As you can see from our 9-month performance, our mobile revenue slightly got affected from COVID-19, while our revenue on fixed broadband and enterprise business still got despite the challenges. At the same time, we managed the cost efficiently with our continuing in 5G investment, which resulted in our EBITDA growth at 2% year-on-year. And for the impact, our impact decreased 1% year-on-year, mostly due to the foreign exchange loss and increase in depreciation and amortization. So if we excluded foreign exchange loss, our normalized impact flattened year-on-year ค่ะ And looking at our mobile business now, as I told you earlier from last slide, mobile business got affected from COVID-19 and low spending of customer. That's the reason why operator offer the low plan to retain market share, especially on the prepaid side. There's still an unlimited data plan offered to the low-end segment. For postpaid market, there was still a good purchasing power, so it still delivered a growth. Despite the shop closure for the first 2 months in third quarter due to the lockdown measure and limited activity, our market share still stands at 46%, with net addition at around 400,000 subscribers. And this was supported by our movement that we try to enhance our many channels like online channel, telesale, and also temporary shops. However, in terms of ARPU dropped year-on-year and Q-on-Q due to weak customer spending and also competition. So mobile revenue was quite flat year-on-year and Q-on-Q. I will move to the 5G topic now. We see opportunity growth in 5G service like 5G mobile and 5G service like because we just launched the service last year. We believe that our customer perception of our 5G remains strong. Currently, our 5G subscribers are at around 1.5 million. All 13% of prepaid subscribers, and we still target to reach 2 million subscribers by this year end. The key driver would be a higher data volume of 5G package compared to 4G package, and also the purchasing volume of iPhone 13. Apart from that, the price of handset is also the main driver, which there are more affordable 5G devices in the market nowadays. Additionally, to support 5G adoption, we work with China vendor in order to sourcing our own house line mobile phone. We launched our mobile phone of our house plan with cheaper price under the brand of Vivo, and the price point is less than 6,000 baht. For 5G rollout, we keep maintaining our network rollout to make sure that our network is superior and ready to support new coming 5G customers. Now we have more than 10,000 sub-base stations and currently covers 77 provinces. In Bangkok and EEC area, We reach more than 90% of population coverage as we focus on strategic location with high density of demand. And for the nation coverage, we are at 42%, which we still aim to reach for 70% by this year end. Moving on to our digital services now. We continue to develop our digital services in order to respond the rapid change in demand and behavior of customers, especially as the COVID pandemic trigger more need on digital services in the new normal. This quarter, we announced joint venture with Siam Commercial Bank or SCB to operate digital lending business under the name of ADVANC. SCB is one of the banking leader in Thailand with expertise in financial services. The initial investment from both sides is at 600 million baht, which means 300 million baht on each. The JV is expected to operate for starting the service in the first quarter next year, and we will initially target on AS existing customer base who have a good credit and financial needed, but might have a limited access to loan from bank. At the beginning, ASCB will begin with handset financing, and eventually we will cover personal loan and nano loan. We build this business model as digital, so basically it's a purely online channel, which means no shop and no branches. For AS Play, our video platform, we added more variety premium content to increase our base customer. So in third quarter, we added BBC Lifestyle and BBC World News, which are available on all channels for AS Play Premium and AS Premium Plus. Also, we added a football Thai Premier League on all AS Play channel, which had over 800 matches. And for this slide, this is V Avenue of AAS, our virtual shopping mall platform on online that we opened for Thai people since the month of April this year. We continue to expand with retailer and restaurant business such as RS Mall, Food Passion, and CMG, as we deploy 5G and virtual reality to upgrade the experience on online shopping for customers. Another interesting business is Flipboard brand. If you're looking at our 9-month performance, it increased 20% year-on-year with our sub-rate reaching at 1.7 million, all around 12% in the market. Importantly, if we look at the net addition of 130,000 subscribers, we are one of the top 3 operators that gain new sub in the market. And all this driven by the solid demand from customers who work and study from home and the quality of service of our network that AAS Fiber use the fiber optic network. In terms of competition in third quarter, we still retain to be the number 4 player in the market, while intense competition resulted in ARPU to drop year-on-year. We still dominate our fixed broadband revenue to grow more than 23% year-on-year, and now it accounted for 6% of our core service revenue. For our enterprise business, we continue to see a positive growth in this segment since this business is a really big market and the market is still expanding because the whole world is moving to digitalization. Every business and organization currently have to transform themselves into digital age. So if you look its growth in third quarter, it increased 23% year-on-year from both the market share gain in enterprise data services and also expanded to capture growth in cloud and ICT services. In this quarter, in terms of platform, we are now to work with a big partner, which is Microsoft. We are currently an authorized dealer of Microsoft Thailand. And as you may know, Microsoft is a big cloud solution. So it will enhance our enterprise business with a better stability of world-class cloud standard. We still aim to continue working on scaling up this business going forward. A8 also have 5G services for enterprise. As we see 5G enterprise services still in early stage, so we gradually launch new 5G services for enterprise during the third quarter, such as 5G FWA+, 5G network slicing, and 5G private network. Also, we continue to build a collaboration with valid partners to try on 5G use case, like for example, smart 5G factory that we collaborate with Bosch and autonomous mobile robot that we collaborate with Omron. In the long term, for driving long-term value creation, we continue to remain focusing on optimizing our core business, which is our mobile business, by enforcing 5G leadership and digitizing our customer journey. Next, as you can see from fixed broadband and enterprise business that continue to expand double-digit year-on-year. So we believe that this business continue to be our growth engine in the medium to long term. And the last one, next year you might see our movement about the area of digital business, and that is our future investment. For this slide, for the guidance, we continue to remain our full year guidance on revenue to be flat or slightly decrease, depending on the opening and pandemic situation. Also, we remain to maintain our full year guidance on the EBITDA to be flat as well, while the CapEx guidance remain the same between 25 billion baht to 30 billion baht to maintain our leadership. And that's all for the key brief today. Now we will open the Q&A section.
So I think if there are no any questions, I think the session has come to an end. So thank you very much, investors and corporates for joining the conference. We hope to see you all again in the next quarter. Thank you very much and have a good day.